Hello, my name is Ruth, and this episode starts my video research project on the financial meltdown of 2008 and TARP, Troubled Assets Relief Program. In case you have forgotten that wonderful period, beginning around, I guess the beginning of the fourth quarter, maybe a little bit before, sort of the last half of 2008, the Dow experienced its largest single-day point drop. 100-year-old financial companies collapsed, or would have collapsed if the taxpayer didn't step in and give them billions of dollars. Credit froze, and oh yeah, we were in the middle of a presidential election. Now, what I hope to do in this research project is, first of all, tell you all about what caused the financial meltdown. And I'm going to pretty much focus on government policies that caused the meltdown. Now, I'm 100% positive that people in the private sector helped cause the meltdown, but it's my contention, it's my bias, that they were incented and helped by the government, the one that we put into power and ideally one day will put out of power. And the project has been difficult to start. And of course, some of that is due to the fact that things like the Emergency Economic Stabilization Act and the TARP, sorry, that's my oven, the TARP quarterly reports can be a little dry. Part of that is because with respect to this financial meltdown, it has hit home. I mean, my retirement is vulnerable, my home value is vulnerable, and my job is vulnerable. And we're not out of the woods yet from an economic growth perspective. But what has been harder than anything in this project is just, it seems wherever I look, I see an America that is anxious for a subsidy, a bailout, a guarantee. It's not just welfare moms anymore. It's farmers, it's car buyers, it's homeowners, it's students, it's everybody. And the challenge really isn't how do we fashion policies to keep this from happening again, because it's fairly easy to establish policies that increase the growth of the stock market or increase growth in employment. The real challenge for me in this project is to figure out how do we get Americans off the juice.